Not today. I can't be late again today. If the teachers knew everything I had to do before going to school, maybe they'd understand, but if they knew what time I had to get up, if they knew what I had to do for everyone else just to make sure my brother and sister go to their school on time, all before I even think about getting myself ready, it's too much.
Everyone misses 1 or 2 days of school, I suppose, and it's just a trip, I guess. I probably wouldn't have been able to enjoy it anyway. Can't really come back late at the moment. Mum needs me here. I'd have just been worrying all day anyway.
These moments are great. It's hard to switch off, yeah. Proper hard not to think about things. I'm constantly checking my phone, hoping everything's fine back at home. Everyone needs to have a break. Everyone needs time to chill.
When your to-do list is so long, it's no surprise some things get forgotten. I can't help it. Even big things like collecting stuff from the chemist can slip through your fingers, and now it's closed. But my to-do list is massive. It's huge. I can't remember everything. I just can't. And I can't fit everything into the 1 free hour I have after school.
Not every young carer's experiences are the same.
Every situation is different.
Some people don't even realise that they are young carers.
But these experiences, they shape us.
They might be tough, and you might get tough times, but caring for others is amazing.
And you grow a huge list of skills and qualities.